Good morning, Husky Pups. Guess what time it is? It's rhyme time. We're going to find pairs of words that rhyme. Pair is two. Remember, when words rhyme, they sound the same at the end. So we're going to find two pictures that sound the same at the end and that rhyme. Let's take a look at what we've got up here. We've got bee, star, cat, mouse, house, tree, car, and bat. So what we need to do is find what picture over here rhymes with the picture over here. And then I'm going to draw a line between them. Okay, so let's get started. So we know this is a B, ends in E-E, B. Does it sound like house, tree, car, or bat? Which one over here sounds like B? B, house. They don't end the same, do they? No. B, tree. Yep, that one ends the same. Look, E-E, E-E. Those two rhyme. Let's say them. B, tree. Okay, I'm going to draw my line from the B right down to the tree. Those two rhyme. We made a pair. Good job, pups. Okay, let's see what's next. Star. Which picture over here sounds like star? House, car, bat. Star rhymes with, say it out loud, friends. That's right, car. Star, car. Hear that sound at the end? They rhyme. You made another pair. Good job. Okay. What about this one? I bet we could stretch that out. Cat. Cat. Good job. Now, does cat sound like house or bat? Cat rhymes with, yell it out, friends, bat. We can stretch that one out too. B-A-T, bat. Cat rhymes with bat. We made another pair. Okay, one more to go. I bet you can figure it out. Mouse rhymes with house. Mouse, house. So I'm going to draw my line from mouse all the way up to the house. Good job, pups. You're rhyming. Okay, in our story this week, what did our characters do in our story? The house in the meadow. Do you remember what they did? They built a house, didn't they? Yes, they did. From the very beginning, they started out and they built a house. Do you remember who used these? The diggers used this, didn't they? They pulled the big trucks in and their shovels, and they dug in the ground to get ready to build the house. Let's look at some other tools that we used in the story. Let's see. Oh, who used these? What have we got here? We've got a saw and a hammer. Do you remember who used these to help build the house? What were those people called? Say aloud. Carpenter. The carpenter used these to help build the house, didn't he? He had to saw the wood and then he had to hammer the nails. Good job. Who used these? This is a wrench and this These are pipes. Do you remember who put the pipes in the house so the water could run? The plumber. Lots of people worked on our house in the meadow, didn't they? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to do some drawing, and you're going to make your very own house. It's going to be fun. And when we're done, you can color your house any color that you want. But first, I'm going to show you how we're going to make the house. Look right here. We've got some steps to do to draw our house. So grab a piece of paper and a pencil or a crayon, and we're going to make a house. Now this will be good shape review for you guys too, because there's lots of our shapes that we know in this picture. There are 8 different steps to draw our house. Let's look. 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 8th step, that's where you get to color it. So what we're going to do is we're going to follow our steps just like they are up here. Okay? So step number 1, we need to make, what shape is that, friends? We need to make a square. So I'm going to make my square 4 sides, the same length, to make our square. Okay? Can you see that? Let me move this over. There we go. There we go. Now you can see. Okay. What is our number 2 step? What do we need to put up on top of our house? Do you know what that is? A roof. The roof. Keep the rain out. So we're going to make a triangle. It's got 3 sides, right? Triangle has 3 sides. There we go. There is our roof on our house. Now if we want to go inside, what do we need to make? You are right, friends. That's a door. And what shape is that door? It's got 2 long sides and 2 short sides. That's it, pups. A rectangle. So I'm going to make 2 long sides and then 2 short sides. Close it up. And there is the door to our house. It's starting to look like a house, I think. Number 4. How are we going to use that door? It needs a doorknob, doesn't it? And can you see what shape that doorknob is? Think about the doorknob on your doors. It is a circle. So I'm going to make a little circle right there for a doorknob. Okay. Now look at step number 5. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. And we want windows in our house because we love it when the sun shines in, don't we? So we need to draw 4 of these shapes. What is that? That is a square. So I'm going to make 4 windows just like in our instructions. And I'm going to make them squares. 4 straight sides. All the same size. There's my second window, number 2, number 3, and number 4. 4 windows. We're doing good, pups. It's looking more and more like a house. Now look right here. A lot of times in the window, they have this. It looks like our plus sign for our addition sentences. And what it is, each one of these is a little window inside a big window. They're called window panes. So right in the middle of my window, I'm going to make that plus. See? Then it looks more like a window. So I'm going to do that inside each of my windows. Make that plus. Okay. We just have one more step before we can color it. Can you see what they added for our step number 7? What's this right here? That's a chimney. So I'm going to make my chimney right up here on the roof. And it's kind of the start of a rectangle, but we don't quite finish it because it goes right into that part of the roof. How's your house looking, pups? I bet it looks great. Now the last thing we're going to do is we are going to label our picture. We always like to write the words and label our pictures, right? So this is a house. It is a house, just like our rhyming word. Okay? So we are going to label our picture house. Do you know what letter that is? That's our H, because it says I'm going to make an H. Then we need, you're right, pups, O. There's our U. S. And an E. There's our E for our house. Now you get to color it any color that you want. Have fun with it, pups. You did a great job. We followed the directions and we made our very own house, just like the house in the meadow. I hope you had fun, pups. I'll talk to you soon.